Oh yeah, we're live. Foggy Abyss, Lake James with my dude, Ron Phillips. Ron looking good in his, you look like Ranger Ron.
Ranger Ron.
With the green get up and the beige top.
Go Army.
That's right, go Army. Well, you can tell it's foggy, it's calm, it's fall time. The fish should be schooling. Today we're gonna break down how to catch fish in the fall. Stick with us. Ron's got the drop shot. I'm gonna throw a topwater around. So here we go.
Got him.
Biggin. Biggin.
Little smallie. It looks like a little largemouth.
A largemouth. He said, I just wanted to play. I just wanted to play with the haze dong today. There's one right here.
Little smallie?
Yeah.
Is it a better fish?
I don't know. I don't think so. No, it's not. Oh, it's not a... Whoa. Like a little bottle rocket.
Another smallie?
Yeah. You think those fish on that lake eat trout? He came off.
Oh, we
Oh, they're chasing something. He freaking ate it. Dude, and it's a biggin.
He was running.
It's a biggin.
He was running.
He ate it and was gone, and it is a toad. I was like, dude, my bait is sinking so much faster. Dude, that is a big...
There's what, that's a smallmouth.
Oh my gosh.
You want more of those.
Freaking toad. Oh, it's a mean mouth.
Is it?
It looks like it. Dang, biggin. Oh. Dude, I was gonna say it swam up so fast it acted really funny. Oh, that's a big one, dude. Go! What a fish.
Like 3.5.
Yeah. Oh, what a fish.
It's a beautiful smallmouth.
Oh, I think it's a meanie because it's got a big old dot on its tongue. Oh, man. Right in the roof of his mouth. He ate that thing and absolutely took off.
I saw you were trying to feel your line, and then I saw your line just zooming.
I know it. That is a fat fish right there. It looks like a smallmouth. It's got a lot of bronze in it and everything, but you can definitely see that distinct black line down the side, and then you can see that tooth patch on the tongue. That's how you distinguish if it's a mean mouth. A lot of times they'll look like a smallmouth, like that fish there. But that's a good one. Let's go. Yeah. You got it. Go. Dang, I thought you were gonna put him in a live well. Oh, was it recording? Dude, I wasn't recording.
Uh-oh.
Son of a gun. I wasn't recording. Ron just caught about a 2-pound smallie. I mean, everywhere we shine out here on the Panoptics, there's just so much bait.
Look at him. Holy crap.
So much bait, but we're looking for these bigger dots like that right there's a bass that's out in front of us. And just trying to target maybe individual 1 or 2 fish, but it's real calm and there's so much bait. I think they should be schooling, but they're not. So anyways, we're gonna keep trudging. I feel bad I didn't get Ron's on, but Ron caught a good one just now. Little fella.
Whoa, really little fella.
Oh man, he threw my haze dinghy. Little smallmouth.
Smallmouth are moving.
Big one.
Another nice one.
Yeah. God, the whole school's coming up with them too.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's a good smallmouth.
He ain't want to come up.
I saw him down there. It's a mean mouth.
A mean mouth?
Yeah, it looks like it.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because that means they're breeding out the smoke. Well, that's about the same sizes.
Probably the same size as the one you had.
Yeah. It's nice though. I'll take those all day long.
Nice. Good fish. Yeah, that's a smallie. Looks like a meanie in the water. Shoulders on it. The old haze dongy. Haze dong shad. Probably right at 2-pounder. Nice little fish. On the drop shot. Loving it. These dong shads. One of them, you know, I think the standard way most people rig a drop shot is just right up through the chin between their eyes. You know, so it sits like that. I'm trying to be a little more stealthy. I want to hide that hook a little more. I don't know if it makes a big difference, but it does help the bait swim straight when you feed it through the nose. And then out the back, just like that. So, looks just like that. That hook's super hidden. It's working today.
Oh, this just went after something.
It was my bait. Little peckerdink.
Little
Smaller than a baby.
small, yeah. He was.
Look at that right there. Come on, bitches.
Whoa.
Did you just eat?
Yep. There he is. I thought I
got him too.
Whoa, what a vicious head shakes.
Here's a big one. Oh!
Yeah, baby. There's what we want.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Ron.
There's what we
Oh, I thought mine was big. Yours came to the top. I'm like, you said it. You're like, dude, those are some vicious head shakes. Oh my gosh.
Well, this one's going in the live well.
God, that's a toad, dude. Oh my gosh, what a
Might
freaking...
be 4 pounds.
Oh my gosh, what a big one.
Try yourself out.
Dang, mine's a pretty solid one too. Oh my gosh. You want my help?
I think I got him. Hope. I don't want to lose this one at the last second.
Oh my
Get a weight
god.
on him.
I'm gonna put mine in just for a second so we can get a picture of us doubled. Oh, what a toad. What a toad. What a toad, Ron.
All right.
Oh. Little booger's
He
hooked in
wasn't
his
getting off
tongue.
there, was he? That was a good hook.
Yeah, it's hooked in his tongue. Oh, it came right out easy though.
Oh,
God, I'm just gonna put him in the live well for right now.
yeah.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh, dude, let's go. That was insane. I'm like, ooh, 1 ate yours, or I was like, one just ate, and you set the hook, and then I lifted up on mine, and I had that weight too. Let's go, dude.
Man, couple like that. Oh, baby, that was fun.
Nice, dude.
Guys are trying to fly.
I know.
They are. You know what? These fish are just stuck to the bottom.
Yeah.
And you got to look for just a little sign that they're there, and you drop the bait, all of a sudden they come right up.
Yeah. Attaboy. I gotta have one. I do. Oh gosh, it's a good one. It's coming right at us. Now it's going away from us. It's a big one.
Yeah, another nice one. Another 2-pounder. Ah, that might be a little.
You're right though, dude. I freaking threw it out there and they all shot up off the bottom.
Yep.
And I'm like, my bait should be on the bottom. And then I like engaged the bail and I'm like, oh no, he's swimming with it.
Yeah,
That's another good one.
Yeah, 13. It's early in the day still.
Attaboy. Cute little Smallie. Old faithful spot, ain't it?
Yep, that spot is. I'm surprised we don't ever see more people in this spot.
Have we ever seen anyone here?
I think we've seen people, but not necessarily here. Every time we've come here and we fished, people are on that other hump.
On the bottom. It's tough. It feels great when you get those perfect casts lined up, like when they're cruising and your bait sinks perfectly out in front of them. Look how calm that is. Here he is.
Got him. Yep, I saw him come. You lifted that thing up, he came right up after it.
Yeah,
off
that's
the
a good
bottom.
one too. Good one. Like a really nice one.
Another big one.
That was pretty cool to watch, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's a cool
I
one.
started burning it off the bottom and he came after it. Wow, love how smooth this freaking reel is. This is a Rebellion 7-foot medium light with a Procyon. I think it's a 3000, nope, 2500, but it's got the power handle. This thing is such a nice combo for drop shotting. I'll be honest, I usually use cheap stuff just because customers beat it up, but this was laying right next to one of my swim bait rods this morning. Oh crap, Ron's about to bust one. Did he have it?
Missed it.
God, this one don't want to give up.
That's smallmouth. They just mean. Dude, I thought that
God, he ain't even that big. He's about 1.5 pounds and just didn't want to quit. Nice, thick. We're catching him today. We got a good little bag. This one ain't even making the team, but that's a solid fish. Many a days I wish I had him, Ron.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah. I don't know if it's a good one or not.
Coming up.
Feels good all of a sudden. Not a bad one.
Not a bad one.
Man, this is our spot, ain't it?
This is definitely the spot today.
He ate it dang good too, boy. Another little healthy Smallie. Coming out of 35 foot of water. Man, it's the crazy thing about the fall. Crazy thing about the fall, we've caught fish today in as shallow as 3 foot of water. And how deep are these fish? 30?
Yep, 30 feet.
So I mean, just fish everywhere. He took off to the bottom.